Hello and welcome to Physics Problems One by One.
So here is a problem. As always, read it, maybe once, maybe twice, and then pause the video and try to solve it yourself.
Today's problem is the next part 3. It's a permutation of the same problem. Bullet traveling with constant speed, hitting the wall, stopping down 40 centimeters down inside the wall. And this time they interested what would be the speed when the bullet half distance. So d2. This is the same. d over 2. And basically, what would be the speed? We have this distance, we have this speed, we have this speed, we have acceleration a. I pause here, and what's the formula that comes to mind? Of course, the formula is about distance. If we have distance, v final, which is known, which is 0, minus v1 squared, this is the speed at that moment, this is v1 and this is what they want us to find, divided over 2a. This is generic case, but now in our case instead of d it would be only half, it would be d divided over 2a, right? V final is 0, minus v1 squared, and we have to put minus here because acceleration is directed that way. D is known, v1 is not known, so everything without would be 2ad over 2 equals v1 squared. 2 is gone, ad equals v1 squared. Oh, sorry, v1 squared. I say one thing and write another. This happens to the best of us. Okay, and before even extracting the square root, you probably would be tempted to put this d, 40 centimeters, and to put this a that you found here, those numbers, and you will then extract square root. I would not do that because I will put this number instead of a, and this way I will have v0 squared divided over 2d multiplied by d equals v1 squared, and d and d would be gone, and I will receive v0 squared divided over 2 excuse me, v0 squared divided over 2 equals v1 squared, and I immediately will receive v0 divided over square root out of 2 equals v1. So square root out of 2 is 1.4 roughly. So immediately I receive 500 meters per second divided 1 over 4. Very roughly 300. Maybe a little bit more. 360, let's say. So, but anyway, I have v1 equals v0 square root of 2. And that concludes this problem. Subscribe, bell, like, question, problem, comment, and I see you next time with the next permutation.